Hi, I'm Johanneson with At Properties. Today I'm going to review 4 things if you're a homeowner and considering selling your house. There are things you should be doing no matter what. The first thing is maintaining your furnace and AC. So often people don't maintain it. They claim to have a new system, but there's no maintenance records, and there is concern that the efficiency of the units isn't quite what it should be. You'll save money by maintaining it, so definitely it's a very inexpensive thing you should be doing yearly. 2, your fireplace. So many people who have a fireplace in their home advertise they have a fireplace. During the inspection, all of a sudden there's issues within the fireplace. The sellers say they never used it. Well, it is a big fire hazard, so even if you haven't used it, have that fireplace clean, make sure it's in good working order. 3, the ventilation of your bathroom fans. How most houses were built, the fans were vented into the eaves of the home. The proper way to ventilate the fans is actually out the roof. If not properly ventilated, there's a good chance there's mold in the attic. Mold in the attic is not going to impact air quality inside the house, but it is definitely going to scare a buyer away. The last thing is your electrical box. So often people finish a basement and it wasn't required initially to get a permit. Well, now you're supposed to be disclosing if you didn't have a permit when you did improvements to the home. Therefore, most electrical boxes aren't big enough to hold all the additional electrical that was added to the house. Again, that's a big fire hazard, and you shouldn't be filled with a bunch of double taps. My goal is to make sure when you live in a home, you're living there very safely and making sure you're maintaining the home properly. Also, when you go to sell, I don't want these big ticket items to come up to you, scare away the buyer, and then cost you a lot of money in the end. I'm Johanneson with At Properties. I'd love to connect with you to share more tips of things you can do to continue to increase your home's value.